Hey guys, this is Jonathan from Fitness for Freedom. Today we are going to show you how to squat if you have knee pain. All right, so today we are going to talk about the squat, how to do it properly, and to prevent knee and hip pain as you do it. So one of the biggest things that we get, or one of the biggest problems that we come across when we're working with clients, is that they say they can't do a squat because they have knee pain. Now, that can be true. Sometimes if you're missing a meniscus or something like that, then you will for sure get knee pain as you try to do something like a squat, and maybe you shouldn't be doing a squat. But most people, what's actually happening is that as they do the squat motion, instead of doing the squat, what I would say properly, what's happening is that their knees are coming in towards each other, okay, or they're going out wider, or they can't do the movement with their bum back properly. So what happens is they end up coming forward a lot and rolling forward and keeping the weight in the balls of their feet. Okay, so which creates a lot of shear force on your knee. So when you're doing a squat, you don't want your quads and knees to take all the load. Ideally, you'll have your glutes, hamstrings, and quads taking the load roughly equally, and this helps you lift a lot more weight and it helps you move a lot more functionally well. So the first step, or one of the easiest things that you can do to be able to move through your full range of motion and practice tracking properly, is to use a post. So you need something that's nice and stable because you're going to pull on it pretty hard. Now you can use the banister on a staircase, or you could use a post that's in a basement like we have here. This is my favorite because this isn't going anywhere. So you grab it around waist height, and as you go down, let your whole body fall back. So you're really letting your body fall back, and you're taking a lot of the weight with your arms. And this allows you to get down nice and low. It allows you to keep your spine nice and neutral, and makes it easy for you to keep the weight in your hips, in your heels. And then as you stand up and you pull yourself up, as you come up, then your upper body takes some of the load as well, and that helps you move more properly. So by doing this movement and practicing the squat pattern by pulling yourself up, then it allows you to get nice and low, and it allows you to get used to doing the movement and tracking properly. Now, let's say you've done that already and you're pretty good at it and you feel like you're ready for some weight, but you're still having trouble getting down pretty low. Then what I recommend is using the next step is a heel lift. So this is a piece of IKEA furniture. You can use a hockey stick. You could use small weight plates. Whatever it is, use the lowest lift that you have to, where it still gives you enough elevation that it lets you go down nice and relatively deep. So by lifting your heels up, then we're getting more freedom through your hips to be able to go down nice and low. So by getting this sort of added freedom, then you can go down nice and low, and it allows you to lift some weights at the same time. Now, over the course of time, what you'll notice is that this will get to be too easy. You'll be able to go down pretty low, so you can get a lower lift. So as you're progressing and as you're moving through, then slowly start to shave off that lift so it gets less and less, so that you're eventually doing it flat and on the floor. All right, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please subscribe to our YouTube channel because we deliver content just like it every week. Take care, and we'll talk to you next time.